Hi everyone, this is Richard from Our Vision Graphics here, and today we are going to have a short tutorial of how to seamlessly transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows PC in a few. So to begin with, we are going to use a software that is LocalSend. So a link to download a software will be left in the description below, so you can find it and download it. So I have downloaded the software already, so so run here. Of course you need permission to install it, and you select to the first option, install for all users. That's recommended. So begin to install. English, of course. Here's the C, and yes, create a desktop. Create a shortcut in desktop. Okay, so as simple as that, we have it installed. Right after we have it installed, you have to go ahead and install it on your as well, being it's your phone, mostly iPhones, because it's difficult to transfer files from iOS to Windows. So on, download it on you can get it on the App Store, and you go ahead to install it on your phone as well. So once you are done, you are going to have an interface like this where you can transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows. So in case you like to send any file, you click here and it begins to search for nearby devices. So the nearby device, that is your phone. On your phone, you go ahead and LocalSend on your phone as well. So once you have it on your phone, the device is going to search and find your phone. So here I searched my phone and I opened LocalSend on my phone, and I have it here, right here. That's the name of my phone. So Richie. When you're installing it for the first time, it's going to give you some weird names, orange and all that. But because I've done it and I've edited the names, that's how come I have my actual name. Just in case you receive something like that. So here, I'm trying to send files from my PC to my iPhone. But mind you, you need to be connected to this Wi-Fi network. It doesn't have to have internet, but you actually need to have the same internet Wi-Fi network. So once you have the same Wi-Fi and you don't have internet, it's good. For instance, you see, no internet yet, like it came initially, internet connectivity, so I'm good to go. So once you are done, you select your file. So iPhone. So I open and I select the file. Here it is. So I click on the device I like to share with, and voila, I have it here. So once you have it, it's going to be set to your iPhone and you access it. Same as on the iPhone, I like to share an image, like say this image. To get it on my phone, I confirm. To get it on my PC, I confirm and I click on case PC. That's my PC. And on the PC, you accept it here. So you are it goes through the process, and depending on how stable your network is, it's going to be set seamlessly. So the file that was received, I can track where it was sent. So is the file, and I can show in folder, and here it is. So yes, this is how you can seamlessly transfer files from your iPhone to your PC and vice versa without any stress using LocalSend. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe to my channel for more. I'm out.